My name is Shenphen, and at this moment I'm in front of the United Nations building headquarters in New York City, and I'm here to appeal to Secretary General Ban Ki-moon to find a peaceful resolution and have an immediate conversation and talk within the Assembly on this pressing issue of Tibet. This is very sad, as two young Tibetans, one inside Tibet and one in exile in India, self-immolated themselves just like yesterday, and this is very heartbreaking. We've had 151 self-immolations so far. It's very sad. I mean, you know, but this is what it is. Something needs to be done. I'm at the Chinese Consulate in New York City, and I'm here to raise awareness for our young Tibetan brave souls who self-immolated themselves. Huh? Why?
Yeah.
No, tell me why.
Sorry, you can't do that here.
Why not? I'm just raising awareness for these two little souls who burn themselves alive.
Sorry, you cannot do that here.
But tell me why.
Sorry, you cannot do that here.
Okay, but why?
You cannot
I'm not causing
anything like this. You have to be across the street. You cannot be here with it.
Well, across the street is not, you know, the
Yes,
problem
but
maker.
you have certain
This is the problem maker.
With this, you have certain distance away from this building.
Well, these guys are in my house. These guys are in my country.
Well, that's in your country.
Yeah.
So that's where you bring your fight, not here.
Well, this is their consulate, so this is where I talk to them.
No, you cannot do this.
Sir, I know
here.
you're doing your job. Listen, I know you're doing your
Can
job.
you come down here for me a minute, please?
I am not trying to.
Come down here for me a minute.
Anyways, so this security guy, he doesn't want me to do this. I'm not even here.
Sir, shut the phone down.
No,
Shut
but
the
you
phone
tell me.
down.
Hold on.
Shut the phone down. You cannot do this
but-
here. Shut the phone down
Okay,
and
but
leave.
give me a reason.
You understand me? I said
No,
leave.
what? I'm here
Leave.
peacefully,
All right.
peacefully requesting, peacefully
Okay,
protesting.
okay,
Do you have
okay.
family? Do you have kids? You look like a, you know, older man. You've been around, right? You've seen life.
I'm Chinese. Okay.
I don't care if you're Chinese. I am Tibetan.
So I'm not listening to you. I'm Chinese.
Oh, so you're inherently evil. That's what you're saying. Yeah, you're inherently evil. You're inherently evil.
I'm not here to listen to you.
And I'm not here to talk to you. You're just a fucking security guy. So just do your job and let me do what I need to do. Anyways, these Chinese people, everybody listening, whoever's watching, the Chinese government is perpetrating Tibet and has been killing Tibetans. Over 1.6 million Tibetans have died, and in the last 4 years or so, 151 Tibetans have self-immolated. Just yesterday, these two kids, one in India and one inside Tibet, self-immolated themselves. The monk here, he died. He gave his life for freedom inside Tibet, human rights inside Tibet, and for His Holiness's Dalai Lama's safe return back to Tibet. And these people won't let us talk. And they're saying we're not allowed here. If I am not allowed here, these guys should not be allowed in my country, in Tibet. They should go back to China. They should go back and do whatever they want. But they should leave Tibet, and Tibetans peacefully. They should leave Tibet. And I don't care. These people have salvaged. These people have killed so many.
Whatever what you say, you can't do that right here.
I'm just doing. I'm doing it here. But I'm not killing anybody.
So you cannot do it here.
I'm not killing anybody. I'm not touching anybody. Across the
street.
street it defeats the purpose.
You're not supposed to be here. You have a certain amount of feet from this building.
Says who? Says who?
The law in this country. The law.
And you think I don't know this country's law?
You don't.
Of course I do. I'm a human rights advocate. How do I not know the law?
Here.
What do you mean here? What are you saying? So this is your?
You will be across the street protesting.
Okay, show me the law. Show me the law. This is
from this building to protest.
This is a sidewalk.
Yeah.
It's also a public sidewalk. And you're telling me we can't be here?
You cannot be here.
And this ignorant guy, he says just because he's Chinese, he's not going to listen to me. I'm here to protest, and I'm here to tell the Chinese government, because this Chinese government causes oppression in my country. That's why they did that.
Oppression is everywhere.
Well, I'm not.
In China, everywhere.
Yeah, so what? So we're just going to turn a blind eye?
Everywhere.
We're just going to turn a blind eye and say,
Everywhere oppression is.
no. It doesn't work like that. I'm here to talk to you guys for this problem inside Tibet. peaceful and a meaningful dialogue with the Dalai Lama. They need to solve this problem. The Chinese, you are not a superpower. Tibet needs to be free. These people are just doing their job, so I don't mind. I forgive them because they do not know. People are ignorant. They do not know. But the world needs to know that this Tibetan issue is the most peaceful people in the world. This Tibetan issue needs to be solved. This Tibetan issue needs to be solved. We are the only country in the history of mankind that has not retaliated in any form of violence. Chinese government needs to go out of Tibet. Chinese do not belong to Tibet, and Tibet belongs to Tibetans. And I am in New York City. I am not in China, but this is the Chinese consulate, and I'm here to protest and tell them that they need to leave my country alone. They need to get the fuck out of my country.